it, boys. What's up, you legends? I'm always doing my intros in the car. I try to switch it up sometimes, but I'm always driving, so I guess it just makes sense to keep my time productive. But today we have a super cool day planned. It's something different. We got to go to the Crocodile River, and we are going on some hoverboat. Another name for it is an airboat. It's pretty much a boat that can go on water that's like super shallow. Hey, you see, that sucks. I'm just trying to vlog in my car, bro. People are like looking at me like I'm crazy. Have you guys never seen a vlogger before? It's gonna be a sick day. I'm super keen for it. For now, I'm off to gym to get the day started. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's mission. It's gonna be different. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be sick. Catch you guys on the road later. Traffic was very bad.
Because you're leaving too late.
No, I left literally at 25 to
8 and you got to now?
Yeah, the whole entire back road through like Boys Gardens was just clogged the whole way.
But anyway,
Enough excuses.
that's how the cookie crumbles.
Good morning, Mr. Boone.
Good morning.
Why you look so low energy today? What? What did you say, bro?
What you say about mama?
Real.
I am real. How you, baby boy?
How you, baby boy?
Lenzo, what?
Mabu.
So,
Yo, look at those bennies, bro. Yo, Benny boys! Tell me something.
Disappointment.
Why? I need to start taking Concerta when I come to gym. I need that.
Goldfish today. Squirrel meets goldfish. Goldfish.
Hi, goldfish. Yeah, we got these white kids. They are on my car.
what's this, dude?
That's a USB, man.
It's a little car.
Yeah. Breakfast. Nice gym session. Nice brekkie. Waiting for all the boys to get you. And then it's time to mission, dude. Gonna be a sick, sick, sick day. Oh, the sweetest little boy.
With a normal
Oh, dude.
Go there.
The steed.
That thing is so sick.
Hey?
Sheesh. Vin got himself a new bicycle, dude. Look at this thing. She needs work, but she clean. She very nice.
Slopestyle 2021, 2022, coming soon.
Yeah. Yo, that thing is mean. Shout out to Brett for letting us play with this thing today, dude. Almost ready to hit the road to the airboats. Now that is what a freaking cool day looks like. Oh, almost forgot the petrol. We are now officially on the road.
That we are.
That we are indeed. Enjoy the time lapse, homies.
Ah, he's lying to you.
Tell us like to shut up. My boys.
Say it one more time.
My boys. Time to play. We are VIP here, hey my man.
PIV, very important person. Wait, that is what VIP stands for.
Time to unload all the toys. Ow, bro. I know I need a tan, but you don't need to hit me with the black wheel. Look at that Plato.
Oh, so nice. So nice. Organized.
Very organized.
Yeah, professional.
That's how we do things,
Yep.
dude.
Yeah, boy.
Dude, check how sick that camper van is. Ooh, that's next level. Yeah. Life is so much fun with the boys. Time to go get on a boat, bro. Time to get on a sick boat, dude. Yeah. Is that captain seats?
Yeah, you next to us.
Yeah, your baseball caps. Turn them around. So I'm not gonna go fishing. And you can clearly see the layers of sedimentation, you know. And about 2.7 billion years, then through tectonic movements, the shit started rising and formed southern and eastern Africa. The reason it has an angle to it, Magaliesberg mountain chain, is a result of a huge magma flow that happened about 60 km north of here. And all the molten rock was so heavy that you pressed the center and tilted up the edges. And that's a Magaliesberg.
No way.
And that's why up there's all the mines where they're digging shit out. Diamonds, gold, platinum, everything that was much closer to the core. That's about 2,700 kilometers.
Yeah.
That's about 2.7 billion millimeters.
Yeah.
Your life expectancy, 80 millimeters.
That's not even a step.
That's scary,
That's how
bro.
long these mountains have been here. And when we are, you know, when some life form digs us up and says, that's weird, what did they eat? Then those mountains are still going to be here.
Yeah. That's so trippy.
I learned something new today for sheezy.
For sure. For sure. Dude, this thing's motor is insane. Yes, Raph! This thing is so cool, dude. Oh shit, we're running out of petrol. Oh no! We gotta swim back. Oh shit.
Bloody hell, you're starving fuel. That's what it sounds like.
Yo, we gotta get out. We're parking cheese. Time to get off.
Ah.
Perfect time to know that
Let's see, if we put all the way in front, the ass will dislodge. Let's see.
And what motor is this? Is it a V8?
This is a Chevy LS2 V8,
Okay.
all aluminium, and about 650 horsepower at 900 Newton-meters.
Yeah, it's crazy. And this propeller's massive, eh?
Yeah, that's 84 inch. diameter.
Yeah. You could put it backwards, and if you run out of petrol with your car, you could tow your car home.
Well, we've gotten stuck once in the dunes in Mozambique.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
towing, the car got stuck in the dune sand. So everybody had an opinion. Oh, you gotta get twigs. No, you gotta deflate. I pulled the canvas off the boat and I had a big prop, just push.
Yeah.
So the car was in neutral. We did 50 k's to the dunes.
That's so
Mozambique
cool.
is well running.
Yeah, I'm sure. That was so much fun. Everybody should definitely come to Air Boat Afrika.
That thing's fast.
Air Boat Afrika. You guys should come try this thing out, dude. Now we gotta get on our dirt bikes and do something. Look at him!
Give me a 250.
Look at him ripping!
Got it.
Sick! All geared up now, ready to go play. I'll catch you guys on my helmet. We must try and listen for him. Yeah.